Yeah, I know. You want some of that right now. I hear you. All right. This may be my last meal that I cook in the Solovor oven because I am now an American Sun Oven affiliate, and I'm going to stop my affiliation with Solovor. It's not that Solovor has done anything wrong or it's a bad product. It's just that the American Sun Oven is a much, much better solar oven. And I actually don't have one yet. And I'll explain to you why it's a much better solar oven when I get the new one, when I get the American Sun Oven. But today I'm going to cook in my Solovor oven for the last time. I'm going to cut some taters up, cut some onions up, and I got some carrots that are going in here. So just going to make a stew. All right, let me get to whacking. What I like about making stews is that you get to use up all your laying around ingredients before they go bad. I used up all my potatoes, all my onions, and there we go. Now I got to get some what do you call it? Beef broth in there, and we're done. Well, I still got about probably 45 minutes for the sun's up high enough to heat the oven up. But well, there is a shadow, and they say if there's a shadow you can cook. So I'm gonna get a rag, wipe all the pollen off of this, and put my food in there, and we'll get to cooking. Well, it's 10:30 and we are up to 250. So I can smell it. It smells good. I'm gonna have to wash all my utensils. They're covered in pollen, and I suspect a dog may have gone by and licked them, because that has happened. And before I knew they were doing that, I wonder how many times I dipped a spoon in my food after a dog had gone by and licked it. Oh well, I love my dogs. If I gotta die, that's not the worst thing to die from. All right, I'm fixing to pressure wash. Let's get to work. Yeah, it's been 300 for about an hour and a half now. And what is it? Probably 1 o'clock, 1 in the afternoon. I'm probably going to give it till about 3 or so, 3 or 4. Probably 4. The dogs eat every day at 4, and believe me, those dogs have clocks. If it's 4:05, they will let you know. So I'll probably eat the same time they do, just so they won't pester me while I'm eating. All right, it's about 4:30, and the sun is just about to go down behind that tree, and I'm going to be out of sun here in just a little bit. I'm certain it's done, but let me get this rolled over to the house and get these inside, and we'll open them up. I got to scoop it out right now.
Well, did you use some beef broth in there or what?
Yeah, I use beef broth, yep. Okay. Holy crap. Does that look good or what? Oh, man. Boy, I got a lot to put away in the refrigerator and the freezer. I'm going to give this a test, but I got to let this cool down a little bit, so we'll be back in just a few minutes. Boy, does that look good. All right, I think this has cooled down enough. You know what? It needs a little salt. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in this, not that. That way everybody can eat it. Come out good. Cooked in the solar oven. And my next solar oven video will be in the American Sun Oven. And that's what I'll be affiliated with from now on. It's not that Solovor is a bad solar oven. It's just that the American Sun Oven is a much, much better oven. And when I get it, I'll show you the differences. I'm not going to bash Solivor because I've made a lot of good meals in that oven and enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun with it. But when you see the American Sun oven and the differences, you'll see why I moved over. All right, let me eat this bowl and start separating this out in smaller portions. Thanks for watching, y'all.